Had the opportunity to come here as well and meet students and also get to hear an in-person performance, which was really cool. And as a result, I also took the opportunity to invite him and also the students to my concert in Jakarta. What I usually tell people is to never ever give up, because no matter what you're trying to pursue, is like whether you're trying to achieve success or just to learn an instrument or pursue a career within music, and the best advice for me is to just keep working hard, believing in yourself, and never ever giving up, because that was how it was for me in the beginning. That I just made music, I just played music, and I posted my music online for people to listen back in 2011, 2012, and sooner or later my music was discovered and it got popular. So I think never ever giving up and still believing in yourself is the most important.
Saya Nitya Anissa, saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.